Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing this package. I actually bought it. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from Darling Nigeria. I ordered the Empress collection. If you've been on Instagram, if you've been anywhere, in fact, you will have seen this Empress collection and you would have felt like buying, because you know the adverts have been so sweet and oh my god, just be like, okay, I really want to get this and try it. But before you get it, I bought it first so that I can tell you guys what I think about it before you buy it. So if I think it's worth the coin, then you guys can go ahead and buy it, and if I think otherwise, then you're going to have to save your money. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, before we open this up, when you order something that is up to 10,000 naira, you are going to get free delivery on your order. So we got free delivery on this order, and I also used a code KEX Darling. Kelechi Mbemena partnered with them, so there's like a coupon that gives you 10% off. Like, isn't that amazing? In short, yeah, I got some money off my purchase. So I'm going to be showing you guys what we ordered. Oh, but okay, yeah, we ordered this 24 in kinky straight wrap pony. This one we got it for, I think it was 25. Yes, I'm going to be opening everything up. We got two, from one for me, one for my sister. Voila for no get sister. Oh yeah, this is our Darling Empress collection. Before we open up this Darling Empress collection, let's open the kinky wrap pony. Let's see how it looks. Right? Whoa, this is big, guy. Okay, let's just continue. It's actually kinky, like really kinky. Can you see this? But it's good, sha. All this kind of hair, they normally last a lot. Like, there's one hair like this that I bought one time, like that, Coco 2. It was synthetic though, but then like it really lasted for a long time. So I think that this like is going to last because it's kinky. All these kind of kinky hairs, they last. So I'm just going to try this out right away. I'm launching it like straight off, guy. Okay, I'm not even going to lie, I've never used this kind of ponytail before, but I think it should be really easy to use. So this is our hair. Can you see it? Okay, so it has like 3 clips here that you can just put in your hair straight up. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you know, it's good. I like it, sha. Something that you can really, you know, you're rushing to somewhere, you can just wear it and boom, you're off. That's the kinky hair by Darling Nigeria. So this is our Darling Empress collection. I got the straight one and my sister got the body wave. So I'm just going to open it up. Darling Empress collection, 1 pack full head, Brazilian hair, styleable. Okay, so talking about the texture, it's actually good, like for the money. Like, guys, see this? Nice, very nice. It actually has human hair feel. I wasn't even expecting something this nice, but guys, this is good. In case you're looking for bone straight and you don't have the money for bone straight, don't stress yourself. Okay, hop in for this, guys. I can't wait to show you what the final hair is, and it is very full. Like, can you guys see this? Can you see this? This is so good, and it comes with a free detangler anyway, if you're wondering. I'm just going to go ahead and unbox the other one. This is the body wave. I ordered mine in 16 inches. The two you ordered NB3, that's not too dark, not too brown, just like color key, like on Sparrow. Yes. So it also comes with a free detangler spray, and it was well packaged anyway. Okay, wow. Like, guys, see, can you? Oh my god, oh my freaking goodness. this is so good. Like, for the money. Can you see the way it is? Honestly speaking, darling, you guys are good. So I also got the TCB Naturals Relaxer. I didn't even know it was going to come with a free shampoo, but this shampoo right here, it says neutralizing shampoo with color indicator. This is so good. I wasn't even expecting that at all. Thank you so much, TCB Naturals. I got the big size anyway. This is the I can't see the size, but I'm going to definitely put it on the screen. This one sold for 500 naira, or I'm not sure. I'm going to put the amount on the screen in case you guys want to see. And if you want to order anything, it is www.divashop.ng, so you can get anything you want on there. So this package comes with a free hand sanitizer, protect kits. Darling, thank you, darling. So that's all we have for today. I'm definitely going to be showing you what I made of my wigs. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's like, come your way next time. Bye guys.